Got my influencer box today. Go there. First thing is a skinny cow creamy clusters. They remind me of turtles. Second thing is, can't tell, Heavenly Crisps. I got 2 coupons for the things that I got from NYC. Next is the Impress Nails. Ooh. They're cute. We have the Icebreaker Duos. Oh, like raspberry. Then we got the Plumping Lip Gloss from NYC. Pretty good. And then I also got mascara from them. The Big Bold Curl. And last but not least is this mask. If I open it up, I'll only have it in one hand. And that's what it looks like. Oops. I hit it. And now my shadow is crazy. There we go. Red Earth Clay Spa. Anyway, yep, that's what I got in my Voxbox. Pretty good.